All right, let's go through some things really quick. I wanted to show y'all some things on my credit report that I got removed. On March the 13th, my credit score went down 23 points because there was a collection account added, Diversified Consultants. Yeah. Sons of somethings. All right, so let's go up to March the 28th. It went up 36 points. I was able to get that collection account removed, guys. That collection account was removed from my credit report, and at the same time, I got all of these inquiries removed. Yes, yes, yes. All right, let's see another one. Let's see. That wasn't anything. No changes there. Let's see. May the 6th, my score went down 10 points because there was another collection account added to my report, and that was a medical bill. All right, let's go up and I'll show you guys where I got that removed. That collection account was removed. My score went up 9 points. Okay, this stuff really works, you guys. Go back, watch the video, follow the steps. It works. Okay, it actually works. Fix your own credit, guys. Get those collections removed.